Hello my dear students, welcome to our channel You, Me and Physics. Till now we have completed our third unit, magnetism and matter. Now we are going to discuss about MCQs related to that and some important formulas. First we are going through about these formulas, then we will solve these MCQs based on NCERT. Okay, so first of all we have completed magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole क्या होता है? It is a system of two poles, north and south, and magnetic dipole moment is related to either pole strength into dipole length. Its direction is from south pole to north pole. And then Coulomb's law in magnetism we have studied. F is given by Coulomb's force is given by mu naught by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. Then magnetic field at a bar magnet of length 2L and dipole moment m at a distance r from its center is given by axial field is given by mu naught by 4 pi 2mr upon r square minus l square whole square. Equatorial field is given by mu naught by 4 pi m upon r square plus l square power 3 by 2. Axial field का डायरेक्शन सेम एज द डाइपोल डायरेक्शन. इक्वेटोरियल फील्ड का डायरेक्शन अपोजिट टू द डाइपोल डायरेक्शन. फॉर ए शॉर्ट मैग्नेट axial field is given by mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube and for the equatorial line m by r cube. In both the cases it is inversely proportional to r cube. Then torque we have studied. When a bar magnet or when a magnetic dipole is placed in uniform magnetic field, then how much torque acts upon it are given by mb sin theta, or in vector form we can say that m cross b vector. Then work done to turn the dipole, it's called as potential energy of dipole, is given by minus mb cos of theta 2 minus cos of theta 1. If initially the dipole is perpendicular to the field, then theta 1 will be 90 degree, cos 90 is 0, so it will remain with this formula minus mb cos theta 2. When m is parallel to b, then theta becomes 0. m parallel to b, theta becomes 0, then this formula becomes minus mb cos 0 becomes 1, so minus mb only. Potential energy of the dipole is minimum, it is in a state of stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium कब होता है? When theta is 0 degree, या we can say that when both m and b vectors are parallel to each other. Next, when m is perpendicular to b, theta becomes 90, so potential energy becomes 0. When m is parallel to b, anti-parallel to b, then cos theta becomes 180, cos 180 becomes minus 1, so minus minus becomes positive energy. Potential energy becomes plus of mb. So potential energy of the dipole is maximum in the state of unstable equilibrium. This is called as unstable equilibrium when dipole is anti-parallel with the magnetic field. Magnetic moment of the current loop is given by current carrying loop. Circular loop का जो magnetic circular loop behaves as a magnetic dipole, this we have proved. तो magnetic dipole है तो कुछ dipole moment भी related होगा, so that is given by m is equal to ni. Then orbital magnetic moment of an electron in nth orbit is given by e, यहाँ से हमने किया था n into eh by 4 pi m, where eh by 4 pi m is called as Bohr magneton. It is the magnetic moment of an electron in the first orbit. Its value is fixed 9.27 10 raised to power minus 24 ampere meter square. Gauss law in magnetism, B dot ds over a closed loop is equal to 0 always. It signifies that magnetic monopole never exists. Then relation between elements of Earth's magnetic field. Horizontal field is given by B cos delta. Vertical component is given by B sin delta. Total field is given by this and tangent delta is given by this. For a magnet placed with north pole pointing south, neutral points क्या होते हैं? Where Earth's total field is balanced by the horizontal component of the magnetic field. Okay, that points are called as neutral points. तो neutral points कहाँ कहाँ lie करेंगे? ये भी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं. फॉर ए मैग्नेट प्लेस्ड विद इट्स नॉर्थ पोल पॉइंटिंग साउथ, जब मैग्नेट के नॉर्थ पोल को ज्योग्राफिक साउथ की तरफ रखते हैं, देन न्यूट्रल पॉइंट्स लाई ऑन द एक्सियल लाइन ऑफ द मैग्नेट. एंड व्हेन वी प्लेस नॉर्थ पोल टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ, साउथ टुवर्ड्स साउथ, देन न्यूट्रल पॉइंट्स लाई ऑन द इक्वेटोरियल लाइन. Okay, then intensity of magnetization is given by magnetic dipole moment per unit volume. Mu is given by B by H. Mu is also related to xim by mu naught into 1 plus xim. Mu by mu naught is mu r. Mu r is related as 1 plus xim, where xim is the magnetic susceptibility given by magnetic I by H, intensity of magnetization to the magnetizing intensity. Xim is susceptibility. This always, it is from the Curie's law. This formula is also, xim is inversely proportional to temperature, and for proportionality हटाकर जो कांस्टेंट लगाते हैं दैट इज क्यूरी कांस्टेंट, एंड दिस लॉ इज कॉल्ड एज क्यूरीज लॉ. B इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट इंटू 1 इंटू एच प्लस आई. यहाँ पर जो कैपिटल M का सिंबल है वो हमने I से पढ़ा था, दैट इज इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटाइजेशन. Clear? So these were all important formulas which we will discuss, which we will use in these MCQs. Okay, so revise these formulas properly and revise the concepts also. Okay, thank you.